Hello guys, welcome to this next video where we are going through the SpecU restaurant management software. In this video, we will be going through SpecU's customer relationship management software. So again, we are on the dashboard. Now SpecU, this is where the CRM is. So CRM basically has a few functionalities. Let us first go through the functionalities, then we'll see how it works. So for the first one is know your guest. So let's have a look at some more data. So I'll just switch the the credentials. So yes, so SpecU know your guest. So for example, for your restaurant, you have 831 registered customers till now. You can either credit a cashback to their wallet directly from here. You can send them an email, an email campaign, do an SMS campaign, or you can download all the data and use it with any third-party vendors. Now, SpecU, the know your guest portion of the CRM basically has divides the customers into different buckets. So, for example, based on visit count, we have three categories of customers: high profile, medium profile, low profile. So high profile customers are the customers who have visited us three or more than three times in the past 3 months. Low profile customers are those who have visited us only once. Similarly, based on feedback rating, we have people who are very happy, people who are not so happy, and people who are not at all happy. Based on pack size, people who come in small sizes, small group sizes, come medium group sizes, and people who come in large group sizes. Based on last visit, again, people who have visited us in the last 30 days, people who have visited us 60 days ago, but they never came back, right? So this kind of bucketing really helps to do very targeted campaigns. So for example, if I want, I can send an SMS to all these low profile customers. So directly send an SMS from here saying, we miss you, please come back. We miss you, please come back. And we can also run some offer, let's say 10% or 15% and coupon code. Could be some, miss 15 or something like that. So this kind of offers can be run from here, and using these coupon codes, we can also do the analysis, like check the ROI of the campaign, right? So this was the first part, which was the know your guest. Now the second one is search. So here we can directly enter the customer's phone number and search. So it will open up his profile. It will have so this is my profile, for example, for this restaurant. So initially it will have all the details, all my details, like my name, my phone number, my email ID, date of birth, anniversary, and so on. Then some of the analytics, like how many times I've visited, when was the last time I visited, my feedback, my average order amount, my average feedback rating, my wallet balance, and so on. And here I can just go and check like all my past orders, all my past table bookings, feedbacks, wallet transactions, and so on, right? So this was the CRM search, right? Then we have campaign history. So here we can come and check the details of all campaigns. So for example, till now we have done around 4,720 SMSs have been delivered. 1,468 emails have been delivered. Last campaign was done, today, at an hour back. Then we have all the data, okay, related to the campaign. May, this month we have done 3 campaigns. April we had done 1 campaign. Feb we had done 2 campaigns, so on. So all the campaign history can be checked from here. Birthday and anniversary module. So this is a part of CRM again. So here basically all the customers who are sharing their email, their date of births and anniversaries with us through the feedback form. The SpecU system sends an automated alert to all those customers on their email as well as their SMS with the greeting, right? So this is how the this email has been delivered to this particular person who had their birthday today. Okay, so this is how the email looks like. It will obviously be sent from your behalf. It will have your logo, it will have your name, a nice message, and then whatever custom offers you want to put can be put here, right? So this is for the birthday. This is the birthday, same greeting on SMS. Then we have anniversary greeting. So the anniversary greeting email and anniversary greeting SMS, right? So this was the birthday and greeting module. Then loyalty program. So the very interesting thing about SpecQ POS system is you can run your own customized loyalty programs also. And since the the CRM system is connected to uh, the the billing part, so all the customers invoices are also there on the system, right? So it's very easy to run campaigns. You don't have to be dependent on any third party systems for running campaigns, right? So these are the details that are configured for your restaurant. So the normal loyalty program is 15%. Loyalty amount is valid for 10 days. Birthday offer is flat 25% off, and anniversary offer is some complimentary thing, right? This is 7 days offer, and this is also 7 days. So then we can check the analysis here, all the analytics, like how many customers are enrolled on the for our CRM, how much price or how much money have we awarded till now, how many customers are loyal customers, what is the redemption, how many have redeemed, what is the redemption amount, and what is the sale done or revenue generated through this loyalty program, right? Then a bit of analysis, redeem count versus new guests enrolled. We can check for the past 4 months. Again, for the past 4 months, total redeemed amount by month we can check, and total revenue also we can check by month. So for example, if you can check in May, we have already done 96,000 of revenue through our loyalty program. And this also shows, like, for the past 1 month, all the transactions that happened, right? So now let's see how it works, right? So let's say I came to your restaurant, right? And let's say I'm coming for the first time, right? So I came, 3 people came, and we ordered something. So let's say we ordered one chicken tikka, one biryani, one tikka, right? So let's say we ordered 2 of each. Okay. Let's say we ordered some more items. So maybe a tandoori roti and some. Okay. So okay, let's go here and add, actually, right? So let us add here. I think it can be added here as well. It's not an issue, right? So now save and close, right? So now let's say I want to be a part of the loyalty program. So I'm sharing my phone number with you, right? 989, search. Okay, so I'm already a registered customer, right? So send. So this will send the bill on my SMS, right? So if I'm a registered customer, it will start showing in my wallet. My wallet history will start showing. The last 5 transactions will start coming here. If I'm a new customer, however, it won't happen. So let's see. This is a new, fresh new installation. So let us check here. Paneer butter masala, methi malai paneer, Corona beer pint, right? Save and close. Okay. So now let's do add guest detail. 70. Just add my number. Say search. So here also I'm registered. Okay. So now as soon as I save, so the wallet history starts showing. The last 5 transactions start showing, right? So the last time I came was 30th of April. I got 127 rupees in my wallet. So let's say I want to start the redemption process, right? Start. So as soon as I do that, the customer, in this case, that's me, I'll get an SMS, correct? I'll get an SMS with the OTP. So I've got an SMS, as you see. This is the OTP 4002. So let us enter the OTP here, and let's say redeem, apply. So now, as you can see, the amount that was there in my wallet as applied as a discount, and then I'll get another SMS saying that that amount was redeemed at this restaurant. Thanks for being a loyal customer, right? Now once I'm done with my food, and once the bill is settled, so let's say I paid by card and then settled, right? So again, the loyalty points, I'll get another SMS which will say that these much loyalty points will be added. So 159 rupees have been credited to my loyalty account. The total balance is this I can redeem. on my next order, right? So yeah, this was the flow for running loyalty programs on SpecUPS. So as you saw, right from the complete the billing for a customer, to generating reports, to collecting their feedback, to doing the inventory management, adding recipes, and keeping a check on inventory, to running loyalty programs with automated birthday alerts for customers. Uh, SpecU provides a completely integrated system, which adds great value to your business. It's a completely cloud-based system. So yeah, just let us know. Just drop by our website specu.com. Just do a request for a demo, and we'll get in touch with you soon. Just request a demo, fill in your details, and we'll get back to you. Or you can directly call us on this number mentioned on our website. Thanks all. Thanks for your time. We'll see you soon.